What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. This right here is just pretty much a recap of some of the things I saw with my last 3 recent trips to the outlets, bruh. This is a video to let you know some of the things you guys can see and find in the outlets. I'm starting to feel like I need to recommend that you guys go to the outlets first before you guys go buy a shoe, unless it's something really hype or something that you really want. But if you're just going, you got a couple dollars, you want to go buy some shoes, if you have an opportunity, bro, hit up one of them stores. Nike outlet, Adidas outlet, Marshalls, something like that. You might find something you want. You can get 2 or 3 pairs of shoes for the price of one at a regular retail store. Now, don't get me wrong. Of course, Foot Locker, Champs, Shoe Palace, Foot Action, Dick's Sporting Goods, all them places are great places to go, get shoes from, build reward points, everything like that. But these outlets, bro, the shoes that I'm showing you guys in this video, that you guys will see throughout the video, are just fire. You got these 33s that are just killing it. Let me know what you guys think about each shoe in here. Out of all the shoes in the video, what do you guys feel like is the best pickups to have at an outlet? There's plenty of shoes going around in this video, so I want to know your comments on anything. Like these right here, I'm kind of iffy on those. I'm kind of passing myself, but I was just surprised to see them because they were pretty much released like a week ago or something like that, a week or 2 ago. And I was really surprised to see these in there. Who'd have thought we'd seen some rockets? And yes, of course they do. People do bring in returns, and that's how the outlet gets them. But they're at the outlet, and you get them for cheaper than you can at the store. Now, that might have been retail, but you still can get that 20% off at the Nike factory outlet, as opposed to a Foot Locker who would say it's quick striking. You can't do it. You feel me? But without further ado, man, let's get into the rest of this video. As you guys can see, I just want to know your thoughts and opinions on everything here. This is the wrap up of my last 3 recent trips to the outlets. I will be bringing this type of video more as I do more outlet videos. You guys will get those individual outlet videos. Then you guys will get a highlight video like this. So we can just discuss and go over the different things there. The PG 2.5s being in there, not a big surprise, but this one, this particular colorway, yeah, I didn't think that would be in there, at least not now. You know what I'm saying? But with so many shoes being released on certain days, you might have 6 shoes from different brands all across the board dropping it in the same week. You know, then you have something dropping on the weekend, which makes it even crazier. So a lot of shoes will definitely fall under the radar, hence why you can go to the outlets and find them for the low, man. Today I went out to another outlet. You guys will be seeing that video soon. Went out to the East LA Nike outlet out there. Excuse me, shout out to each and every one of you guys coming out, man. I really do appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? It's always good to see you guys live. We can interact live and direct. I wanted to bring you guys along with me just to see what's going on firsthand. A lot of you guys seen some things in there I'm sure you guys like. You guys told me in the chat. Once again, thanks for coming out to that. You know what I'm saying? We just out here, bro. Trying to bring different content. Trying to bring a lot of content. I'm uploading daily. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe with the notification bell on just to be updated on every single thing I'm dropping. If you want to be part of the team and the family, you know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I upload pretty much every day, 9 p.m. West Coast time, which is midnight on the East Coast. Start your day off with a Bossco Mitchell video. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate all the love and support. Just can't say enough, man, how you guys come out and rock with your boy, man. I really appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? I do these videos for one because I love sneakers, but I love to share the information and help other people out. You know what I'm saying? A lot of these shoes, you guys, like I said, you guys can find them at the outlets and get them for cheaper than you can in the store. I don't mean to talk in circles, but that's what this video is about. It's about saving your dollar, not stressing out. Because I know a lot of times you guys might want some of these shoes, so many shoes come out, and you just can't make a decision on which one you want. And then the price points be deterring you away. With the exclusion of some of them shoes, the off-whites and collaborations like that, you just gotta stick it out, bro. Have a little patience, you'll be able to find what you want. A lot of times at the outlets, sometimes at Marshalls, Ross, TJ Maxx. You know me, man, I continue to bring the content to be my receipt, to be my proof that you can still find good things there as well as the stores, you know what I mean? What's the next cop for you? What are you guys looking for? Why don't you guys go ahead and add that in the comment section. Also, when you add your comment down below, you know, we are a nation, a group of people, a community that is growing, and we are worldwide. We got people watching from all over the globe. So when you leave your messages, man, if you guys can remember, let us know where you're from. You know what I'm saying? Drop your area code or your city or your state or your country. You know, we like to know where everybody's from. I love interacting with people from all over the world. That's why, you know, YouTube's such a great platform, and that's why I like doing live streams. I like talking to you guys live and in person. You guys can ask questions and we can just talk about normal things, you know what I'm saying? A great way to get away from things that might be going on in your real life. That's why I try to keep it positivity and I don't bring none of the negative stuff here. Because of course we all go through things every day. There's something else that comes up. It's about how you bounce back, and it's about what you put on to other people. You know, what type of energy you want to put on to other people. You can be upset and mope about it and then just pass that on to everybody else and have everybody else have a bad day. Or you can take that negative energy and turn it around into something positive and get more positive results and more positive energy back from it. You feel me? So that's just one thing I can say. I'm not perfect, none of us are, but just try to make the best out of what you can. And then these right here, bro, we getting back to these shoes that you see. These rookies, or these Stars Born Jordan 1s are fire. And in East LA, bro, they had a full-size run of those things. It's just crazy to see these shoes still on shelves. I can't even talk right now, I'm so excited, bro. I just wanted to chop it up with you guys. I'm going on like 6 minutes here. We're gonna go ahead and let the video continue to play. But just hit me up in the comment section, bro. Don't forget to leave me, you know, comments and let me know where you guys are from. If you are new, once again, subscribe with notification bell. Let's check out the rest of these shoes, you dig?